Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa bechamel. First, gather your ingredients: butter, all-purpose flour, milk, salt, and a touch of nutmeg. This classic sauce forms the base for many delicious dishes. We'll start by creating a simple roux, which is key to a lump-free and perfectly thickened sauce. Pay close attention to the ratios for the best results. To begin, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Once the butter is fully melted, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Whisk this mixture constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This creates your roux, which is essential for thickening the sauce and removing any raw flour taste. Ensure it's a pale, golden color. Now, slowly pour in 2 cups of warm whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. It's important to add the milk gradually, allowing the roux to absorb it smoothly. Keep whisking over medium-low heat until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of nutmeg for flavor. For a richer flavor, stir in 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's fully melted and incorporated. Continue cooking for just 1 to 2 more minutes, ensuring the sauce is smooth and creamy. Your delicious salsa bechamel is now ready to use in your favorite recipes. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those incredibly durable socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.